In the previous lecture, we see the alternative equivalent simple circuit of the given switching circuit. In this lecture, we see the same type of the examples, but in the last lecture, there is a given switching circuit. We express this switching circuit in a symbolic form of a logic, and then we simplify. In this lecture, we have already given the logical expression. We only simplify this logical expression and construct the simple circuit. Okay, construct the simple circuit for the simplified logical expression. Okay, now here it is a exercise 1.5, question number 5. Obtain the simple logical expression of the following. That means obtain the simple logical expression for this expression and draw the corresponding switching circuit. That means draw the corresponding switching circuit. Draw the circuit for the simplified logical expression. Okay, now the example same as our lecture number 13, that is the show that the following logical expression by using the algebra of the statement, that means without using truth table. Okay, first watch carefully our lecture number 13, algebra of the statement and the examples, that without using truth table. Now here we apply the algebra of the statement on this logical expression to simplify this. Okay, now here it is a given statement, let we consider it is a L. L is equal to P or Q and negation Q. Okay, now we apply the algebra of statement on this statement. Now see carefully, here P or Q and negation Q, there are the three statements, it is or and, but in the bracket it is a Q and negation Q. See carefully, it is a Q and negation Q. That means statement and its negation, and statement and its negation, that means the contradiction. That means we can write it is a false. That means it is a P or it is a false. Here we use the complement law. Okay, and now last, here P or contradiction, statement or contradiction, it is a statement. Here we use the identity law. Okay, and now it is a simple statement, that is the L. Okay, here the given logical expression is a P or Q and negation Q, and its equivalent simple expression, it is only P. Now we want to construct the switching circuit for this statement. Here it is a P, and P means a switch S1. Okay, now the switching circuit. For the simplified statement, okay, here it is a simplified logical expression. Okay, and therefore here let it is a P switch S1, and it is a L, it is a lamp, and the simple circuit, only one switch. It is L, lamp, it is plus minus, and here it is a switch S1. Okay, S1, it is a P, statement P, it is a switch S1. Here it is a logical expression, it is a simplified expression, and the switching circuit for this simplified expression is this. Okay, now we see the second example. negation P and Q, or negation P and negation Q, or P and negation Q. Okay. Now here it is a given logical expression. First we want to simplify this, and after simplification we construct the switching circuit for the simplified statement. Okay. Now here the solution, let L is equal to this expression, it is a negation P and Q, or negation P and negation Q, or P and negation Q. Okay. There are the six statements. Okay. याच्यावर लॉ अप्लाय करायचे. ओके. तर 6च्या 6वर एकदाच लॉ अप्लाय नाही करता येणार. ओके. मग एक एक ब्रॅकेट पहा. हिअर आता हे फर्स्ट टू ब्रॅकेट्स, हिअर इट इज अ निगेशन पी अँड इट इज अ निगेशन पी अँड. त्याच्यातून हे निगेशन पी अँड कॉमन घेता येते. दॅट इज अ डिस्ट्रीब्युटिव्ह लॉ. ओके. हिअर ओनली द फर्स्ट टू ब्रॅकेट्स. ओके. इट इज अ निगेशन पी, टेक कॉमन निगेशन पी अँड. You can take common the negation P and then remaining it is a Q or negation Q. Q or negation Q, and the third as it is. Here we use distributive law. Okay, it is a distributive law. Then here negation P and see carefully this bracket, statement or its negation. Statement or its negation, it is a tautology. And third as it is, P and negation Q. Okay, only this bracket, it is negation P as it is, negation P and this bracket we can write tautology, and it is or, and this bracket as it is. Here the complement law. Complement law. Now the statement and tautology. Statement and tautology, it is a statement. Statement and tautology, it is statement. Or P and negation Q as it is. Okay. Statement and tautology, it is a statement. Or P and negation Q as it is. Now here it is identity law. Identity law. Okay. Now again here negation P, P and negation Q, there are the three statements, one or and it is and, the different symbol. Again here we use the distributive law. Okay. P or distribute to both, negation P or P and negation P or negation Q. Okay. Here it is a distributive law. Okay. Now statement or its negation. Statement or its negation, it is a statement or its negation. Again it is a tautology. And negation P or negation Q. Okay. Here it is a complement law. Then see carefully this tautology and statement. Tautology and statement, it is a statement. Identity law. Okay. And here negation P or negation Q. Okay. It is a simple statement for this given statement. It is L. Okay. And now it is a negation P and it is negation P or negation Q. Negation P, P is a switch S1. So negation P, it is a switch S1 dash. Negation Q, Q is a switch S2. So negation Q is a switch S1. So it is S2 dash. Okay. Therefore the simple circuit for this statement we can write here. Therefore the simple circuit is, first let P, switch S1. Therefore, negation P, switch S1 dash. Q, switch S2. Therefore, negation Q, S2 dash, and it is L. It is a lamp. Okay. Therefore, the switching circuit, here it is a negation P or Q. Here it is S1 dash, or that means parallel S2 dash. It is S1 dash parallel to S2 dash. Here it is a switching circuit. Here we connect the lamp and battery. Okay. Here it is a switching circuit. Okay. See carefully this. It is a given logical expression. We simplify this statement and we construct the switching circuit for this statement. Okay. This. Now we see the next example. Now the third, P or negation Q or negation R, and P or Q and R. Now, first here let L is equal to, here it is a P or negation Q or negation R, and it is a P or Q and R. Okay, it is a given logical expression. Now we simplify this logical expression by using algebra of statement. Okay, here it is a P or and it is a P or. Take P or common. When we take the P or common, we get here negation Q or negation R and Q and R. See carefully this. We take common P or and it is P or. Then remaining it is negation Q or negation R and Q and R it is. Okay. Here we use the distributive law. Okay. Now it is a P or. Now again see the first bracket, negation is a separate of both statement and here it is a or. So here we use the De Morgan's law, Q and R. Okay. Negation of Q and R, सेपरेट निगेशन आणि अँडच्या जागेवर ऑर किंवा इथं ऑर आणि सेपरेट निगेशन तर काय करणार, दोन्हीचं कॉमन निगेशन ऑरच्या जागेवर अँड. डी मॉर्गन्स लॉ. ओके, बाकी ॲज इट इज. अँड क्यू अँड आर. ओके, हिअर डी मॉर्गन्स लॉ. Okay, now it is a P or. Here statement and its negation, it is a Q and R, it is Q and R, but it is a negation. Statement and its negation, it is a false. It is complement law. Okay, and now last, P or false, that is statement or contradiction, it is a statement, it is identity law. Okay, now it is a simple expression for this expression. Okay, it is a simple expression for the given expression. Now construct the switching circuit for this statement. So simple circuit, is here, let P switch S1 and it is L, it is a lamp. Okay, here there is only one switch, so we consider switch S1 or only S. P is a switch, yes, only one switch, then we consider only yes or S1. Okay, now it is only one switch. It is, we take S1, so it is S1. It is the simple circuit for this logical expression. Okay, now we see the last example in this question, the fourth example. Here given statement, it is P and Q and negation P, or negation P and Q and R, or P and negation Q and R. Okay, now first we simplify. Okay, P and Q and negation P, negation P and Q and R, P and negation Q and R. Okay, now we simplify first this logical expression and then construct the switching circuit. Now let L is equal to, it is P and Q and negation P, or negation P and Q and R, or P and negation Q and R. Okay, here it is a given expression. Now first we apply the algebra of statement on this expression. See carefully. First we take a common, we take common here, P and Q. Okay, P and. Okay, now first we solve this bracket here, P and Q and negation P. So we can write here P and negation P, P and negation P and Q. Okay, here we use the commutative law, and here it is negation P and Q and R, or P and negation Q and R, as it is. Okay, here we use the commutative law. Okay, commutative law. Now we can write here P and negation P, it is a contradiction, and Q, or here negation P and Q and R, or it is P and negation Q and R as it is. Last two brackets as it is. Here the complement law. Okay, complement law. Now statement and contradiction. Okay, here statement and contradiction, it is a contradiction. Statement and false, it is a false. Or last two bracket as it is, negation P and Q and R, or P and negation Q and R. Okay, it is identity law. Okay, now again here statement or contradiction, it is a statement. That means here it is a negation P and Q and R, or P and negation Q and R. Here it is a again identity law. Okay, now now see these two brackets here, negation P and Q and R, P and negation Q and R. Now here we take this and R take a common. Okay, so here it is negation P and Q, or P and negation Q and R. Here it is a distributive law. Okay, it is a distributive law. Now in this bracket here negation P and Q, and here P and negation Q. Okay, now there is ओके, आता इथं कोणताच लॉ अप्लाय नाही करतायत. ओके, हे झाली तुमची सिंपल स्टेटमेंट. ओके, गिव्हन स्टेटमेंट ही होती, ही झाली त्याची सिंपल स्टेटमेंट. मग आता तुम्हाला या सिंपल स्टेटमेंटचं स्विचिंग सर्किट काढायचं. ओके, आता इथं याच्या पुढं कोणताच लॉ अप्लाय नाही करतायत. लॉ कोणता अप्लाय करणार, पुन्हा डिस्ट्रीब्युटिव्ह लॉ यूज केला तर एक स्विच वाढायले. इथे किती आहेत, 1 2 3 4 5 आणि 6. आता इथे किती आलेत, 5 स्विचेस आलेत. आता याच्यानंतर इकडून कॉमन काहीच निघन. ओके, म्हणजे याच्यानंतर कोणताच लॉ यूज करता येणार. म्हणजे हे झालं तुमचं सिंपल सर्किट. आता याच्यात किती स्विचेस आलेत, 1 2 3 4 अँड 5. ओके, ओरिजिनल याच्यात किती येते, 9 स्विचेस. ओके, हिअर 1 2 3 that is the 9 switches. Okay, now it is a given expression and it is a simple expression for this expression. Now we construct the switching circuit for this statement. Here P Q negation P negation Q and it is R. That means there are the statement P Q and R, switch S1 switch S2 and switch S3, and here negation P and negation Q, that is S1 dash and S2 dash. Okay, now here therefore the simple circuit, see carefully this, let the P switch S1 and here it is a negation P switch S1 dash, then Q switch S2, then negation Q switch S2 dash, and R switch S3 and it is L, it is a lamp. Okay, and therefore the circuit diagram is here, see carefully, this negation P and Q, that means these two switches are in the series, S1 dash and S2. P and negation Q, again these two switches are in the series. Okay, and these two switches and these two switches are connected in a parallel. Okay, therefore the first bracket negation P and Q, see carefully, it is a negation P and Q, that means S1 dash and it is S2, and these two switches, it is the first bracket, and these two switches are parallel to this. Okay, therefore it is here the parallel switches P and negation Q, that means S1 and it is S2 dash, and here these four switches are connected in a series of the third switch, that is R, it is S3. Okay, here it is a switching arrangement. Okay, now we connect the lamp and battery. Okay, it is important. here it is a simple switching circuit for this expression. It is a given expression. We find the simple expression for this statement. It is simple expression, and now construct the circuit for the simple expression. It is a simple expression and this is a simple circuit. Okay, there are only 5 switches and in the given there are the 9 switches. It is a simpler circuit. Okay, see carefully. Okay, now it is the last example in our exercise 1.5. there we completed the exercise 1.5. now in the next lecture we see the examples in our miscellaneous exercise. Okay, watch carefully this.